Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best cordless grinders. After doing research, I found these cordless grinders that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Makita BGA 452Z 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 4.5-inch cut off-angle grinder. This particular tool is very lightweight. It weighs only slightly more than 5 pounds. This, coupled with the fact that it's ergonomically designed, makes it a very easy tool to handle. It also provides relatively fast grinding because the motor is able to turn at 10,000 RPMs. It also has a built-in LED circuit to keep the motor from straining. This product also has a 3-year warranty, so people know that they're getting a quality product that will provide faithful service for a long time to come. Dewalt D28 4.5-inch small angle grinder kit. This is perhaps one of the fastest angle grinders, employing a motor that turns at 11,000 RPMs. As a result, it's sure to make fast work of anything that's put against it. The motor also has an effective overload protection. It's also designed to automatically eject debris and dust in order to prevent damage. Furthermore, it is easy to change tools with this particular angle grinder, and the gears align easily, providing for much better ease of operation than some other types of angle grinders. PorterCable Tool PCI 8AG 18-volt cordless expansion angle grinder. This tool has an 18-volt motor that is capable of turning at 8,500 RPMs. It is extremely easy to hold, and individual tools can be changed out easily. It is a reliable tool that offers enough power for most household uses. In addition, it is a tool that is relatively easy to use, and as a result, it can typically be used by individuals who do not have a great deal of experience using angle grinders or similar tools.